Welcome to NALLA REDDY Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad, estimation, quantity, surveying, and valuation. I am Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. See, in last video, I explained about abstract method, preliminary estimates. In this class, we'll see some more types of estimations. See, types of estimates. There are several types of estimates. Okay. See, first one is, say for example, rough cost estimate is really rough. See, small houses, small building, masonry, you will say, sir, 20 lakhs, I will complete the building as per your requirement. Say rough cost estimate. That is only rough. Plinth area estimates. So plinth area estimate also, you know how to calculate. That we'll see detail in the next coming topic. If you know, for example, plinth area cost 3,000 rupees per square meter. So for 1,000 square meter, how much? Like that, plinth area estimate. Cubical content estimate. This is also one of the method by height. See, plinth area not related to height, only area of the construction, and which includes, which do not include, we'll discuss in coming topics. Okay, but in cubical content estimate, we are going to consider height of the building. If height of the building is more, if the floor height is more, the cost is more. That's why this is one of the method used to calculate approximate estimate. Okay, cubical content estimate. A quantity estimate. We have to calculate quantity, and according to quantity, we'll estimate. Approximate quantity method. See, approximately for houses, say for 1,000 square feet house, say so much material required, so many bags required, so much reinforcement required, so much amount required for labor, sanitary items, like that. See, approximate quantity method. Detailed or item rate estimates. This is we'll have in second unit. Detail means we should have plans, sections, elevations, specifications, and items. So we'll estimate according to your detailed plan and section of the plans according to your building plans or any project. That is detail or item rate estimate. And as you know, these rates are provided from the local rates or SSR or SOR given by different organization of the government, that is state government or central government. Revised estimate. Sometimes, even though we have given abstract estimate, suddenly there is a rise in the cement bags. Within 1 month, what will happen? It may increase 100 rupees. Then revised estimate is required. Similarly, suppose reinforcement. Reinforcement also vary with the time. See, in pandemic situation, you might observe labor cost increases. Okay, already increased. You know, cement bag rate increased because of the situation. According to situation, demand, and like that, revised estimate also sometimes required. And supplementary estimate, suppose you want one more room or additional construction adjacent to your existing building, so that is supplementary estimate also you have to give, say, with the same method followed by adjacent building. So that is supplementary estimate required. Repair and maintenance estimate for existing building. See, this is restoration, rehabilitation structures. It will come under repair and maintenance. Generally, if you see 10 years or 15 years old buildings, you will observe some leakages in drainage or sanitary items, water leakages, and there are some cracks. So repairs required, and some uh, persons interested to change some small modifications. So repair and maintenance estimate also you have to give as an engineer, and a complete estimate. Complete estimate also you have to give for some projects, totally including in details, specifications, rate, items. This is a complete estimate. There are different types of estimate. Okay, this is for your information. See, this is one of the most important common methods used to estimate buildings. Definitely you will get this question. Okay, that's why this is I'm highlighting you. This is the following methods are common methods used to estimate buildings. First one is plinth area or square meter method. Plinth area. So plinth area is measured in square meters. So what is the cost for square meter? Similarly, cubic rate, cubic meter method. We'll see some examples also. Cubic means that includes height. Plinth area into height will give you cubic. What is cubic? Area into height will give you cubic. That is cubic meter method. Service unit or unit rate method. Service means institutions, hospitals, okay, schools, and hostels. Service oriented. Institution, students. Say per student, one student expenditure of the cost of the building is say rupees 10,000 rupees per one student. So for 1,000 students, what is the cost? So this is service oriented. Say hospital building you want construct for one bed. What is the cost of the building? Like that, unit service. Similarly, hostel, okay, auditoriums. That is unit rate method. See, these three are very important. See, these questions frequently asked in your end examinations. So these will study in detail in the coming topics. And approximate quantities with bill method. See, we have they will give you approximate quantity and they will produce bill after the completion of the at the time of construction of the work. Way method is one method. Cost comparison method will compare the cost with other things. Cost from materials and labor. Cost will give you cost, materials and labor and goodwill. So this is one type of estimation of building. Okay. See, this is you remember now approximate methods as discussed. Plinth area method, cubical area method, content method, unit based method or service unit method, service unit method. These three very important in first unit. This is a compulsory question for your all mid and end examinations. Okay. See, we'll see what is the definition of the each one. Plinth area method. The cost of the construction is determined by multiplying plinth area with plinth area rate. See, I want to construct say 1,000 square feet. What is the cost of construction for square feet? Say rupees 1,500. So 1,500 into 1,000 square feet. That is the your cost of construction. Say you might have seen observed in the flats when you see boards observed or in newspaper. What is plinth area? What is the unit rate? And what is the cost of build-up area, plinth area? Like that, you will see one flat cost. So this is the plinth area. method. See, cost of construction is determined by multiplying plinth area with plinth area rate. That is per square meter, what is the cost? The area is obtained by multiplying length and breadth. This is very simple. What is area? Length into breadth. Okay, outer dimensions of the building, not inner dimensions. Okay, inner dimensions are different from outer dimensions. We have to including wall width. So this area is obtained by multiplying length and breadth, that is outer dimension of the building. See, this outside, only outside of the building, length or width will calculate. See, there are some rules and regulations. There are mutations and inclusions in this area, plinth area method. In the fixing the plinth area rate, careful observation and necessary inquiries are made in respect of quality and quantity, aspect of material and labor, type of foundation, height of building, roof, woodwork, fixtures, number of stories. See, this is one of the important point in the plinth area method. When you are giving plinth area rate, approximate cost, careful observation should be taken. You have to do all inquiries regarding in respect of quality of materials and labor. What is type of foundation? If it is weak soil, you required more more cost. So like that, you have to study the soil properties and height of the building. The height will vary, the cost will vary with height. If 3 meters height is the height, one cost. If 3.5 meter, different cost. So these are observations are made in the plinth area. What is roof, slab or shed, like that. Roof, type of roof, woodwork, teak wood, teak wood or ordinary wood, and number of stories. So we'll see next coming topic in detail in plinth area method. Thank you all.